The Baojun Huajing S was featured in the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology's latest new vehicle announcement catalogue on September 10. This new model is a new flagship large six-seat SUV jointly developed by Wuling and Huawei. Built on the Tianyu L platform, the two parties will deepen their collaboration in assisted driving, smart cockpits, and smart manufacturing. All Baojun Huajing S models come standard with Huawei Qiankun Intelligent Driving, HUAWEI ADS 4, Harmony Space 5, and Qiankun Car Cloud, HUAWEI IVCS, and are the first to be equipped with Huawei's Limera in-cabin laser vision system. The Baojun Huajing S's exterior design combines simplicity and elegance with a technologically advanced fashion sense. The front fascia features elegant, flowing lines and illuminated headlights, which blend seamlessly with the simple front grille to create a cohesive visual impact. The stylish front bumper enhances the vehicle's visual width and adds a robust touch. The smooth waistline on the sides of the body, naturally extending from front to rear, emphasizes a slim and taut body stance. The floating roof design, combined with the color contrast of the black frame and silver body, creates a strong sense of layering. The use of hidden door handles not only reduces wind resistance but also enhances the sense of technology. The large wheels, with their elegant black and silver tones, add a strong sporty touch to the entire vehicle. According to the information released, the length, width and height are 5,235 mm/1999 mm/1,800 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 3,105 mm. The rear of the vehicle also features taillights that extend throughout, creating a design language that echoes the headlights. The intricately detailed taillight strips are easily noticeable at night. The rear end features simple, elegant lines, while silver-colored strips on the rear bumper cleverly emphasize the vehicle's elegant feel. The silver and black color scheme complements the ingenious design details that showcase the vehicle's elegant appearance. It reflects the stylish feel of a family SUV while also satisfying consumers' desire for stylish and technologically advanced features. Power-wise, it is equipped with a plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 1.5T LBT model engine manufactured by Liuzhou Sake Technology Development Company with a maximum power output of 105 kilowatts. Regarding batteries, the new vehicle will be equipped with battery packs manufactured by Sunwoda Power Technology Company, Limited and Sakrapu Power Battery Systems Company, Limited, depending on the configuration.